So this is sort of part two, an addendum to the Fashion Show Mall video. We were going to look at the food court, and if we'd have paid any attention when we first rocked in by the Hollister and the Maggiano's, we would have noticed that the food court is right up this escalator. So I'm going to pause and then we'll show it to you. So anyway, we're now up on the third level here where the food court is. And we'll walk around, we'll show you some of your fast food options that are available here at the Fashion Show Mall. And they're quite extensive. They're probably more extensive than any other place in town. There's Häagen-Dazs. And we'll just briefly show you each one of the storefronts. Nathan's Hot Dogs. The ubiquitous Panda Express. Chicken Connection. I've had Chicken Connection, but I've had Subway, and I bet you have too. The Taco Maker Mexican Grill. Another Asian themed outlet, Sukihana. Great Wraps, which is right next to Crazy Crepes. We have India Masala. So it's not just hamburgers and chicken or something here. We have a pretty good variety. There's Villa Italian Kitchen, where you can get a slice of pizza or some spaghetti and meatballs. And then there's a Philly steak outlet. And finally, we have the Habit Burger Grill. So that's a pretty darn big food court area and plenty of seating. So find yourself at the Fashion Show Mall. You don't have a lot of money. You want something to eat. The food court could be just the ticket. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.